Doesn't matter what you do. I'm in events. Come on, guys. I'm in events. We're completely destroyed. We don't know when we're going to do another event. It could be 2021. It could be 2022. That doesn't mean I'm giving up. I've launched another 2 companies while I've been sitting at home because I won't let it beat me. And you should not let it beat you.
Talking about commitment and sort of being focused and all the rest of it, what does life look like right now for you? All right, let's think about coronavirus for a second and what's going on and lockdown. How have you adapted your life in this moment?
Let me explain to you the way I see coronavirus. My kids are safe. My parents are safe. Yep. My wife and me are safe. What else is there to worry about? Everything else can be rebuilt. Everything else can be gained again, but not your life, not your parents' life, not your kids' life, not your wife's life, not your husband's life. Yep. Once you've lost it, you've lost it, guys. So I know we're all moaning and complaining about how this is affecting our businesses, and I'm sorry, I'm still working. Doesn't matter what you do. I'm in events. Come on, guys. I'm in events. We're completely destroyed. We don't know when we're going to do another event. It could be 2021. It could be 2022. That doesn't mean I'm giving up. I've launched another 2 companies while I've been sitting at home because I won't let it beat me. And you should not let it beat you. This is an opportunity for you to sit at home and think, right, what am I doing with my life? What should I be doing with my life? And how can I improve my life? And how can I do something even from sitting at home? Do you know how many people have gone online and started their own companies? Maybe hand sanitizer, maybe face mask, whatever it is. You can't knock anybody for trying to feed their family. You can't. So you can always do something. I've adjusted and adapted. You need to adjust. Everybody needs to, not you personally, but we all need to adjust and adapt.
Yeah.
And think of new ideas. We have to reinvent the wheel. So that's my opinion. Very happy, very grateful, and really Corona, it will come, it will go, and life will carry on, and we'll start rebuilding.